The View co-host Sunny Hostin says, "Fourth graders shouldn't be taught sex ed. I think it's too young." The phrase I want to look at here is sex ed. Sex ed is an abbreviation, and it stands for sex education. And this is basically a program that teaches usually young people, students, about sex and sexuality so that they can make smarter, healthier, and informed decisions about sex. Now, every country is different, but in the United States, apparently fourth graders are learning sex ed, and fourth graders in the U.S. are about 9 years old. So this co-host, Sunny Hostin, she thinks it's too young to be learning sex education. What do you think? Do you think fourth graders or 9-year-olds, 10-year-olds are too young to be learning about sex education? She also said that 18-year-olds should not be having sex. She thinks they're too young as well, although the age of consent in the United States is 16 to 18 years of age. And age of consent is basically a euphemism for age to have sex. So here's an example sentence. The age of consent in the US is 16 to 18 years old. Here's another example sentence and a question that I would like to ask you. What is the age of consent in your country? If you would like to see the whole discussion, you can click on the link below. It's only about 2 minutes long. And also, if you would like to see the video on what a euphemism is, you can click on the screen now, or you can also click on the link below.